lose the weight and keep your social life intact. It is certainly true that people often want to ignore the fact that they are heavy and in poor health. Even so, it is important to take stock of your actual fitness and health level. You need to know what can be done to get in better shape and lose weight. That's why the tips below have been assembled for you. When dieting for weight loss, avoid alcoholic drinks as much as possible. Alcoholic drinks are even worse than soda for empty calories and provide absolutely no nutritional value. You can reduce your intake by cutting beverages with sparkling tonic water or other similar diet-friendly options that will allow you to cut back without feeling deprived. A diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats or other pure protein sources will help you feel satisfied while losing weight. By avoiding fad diets or costly, special diet foods, you can change your eating habits, become generally healthier, save money, reach your target weight, and maintain it easily. A good tip to lose weight is to define exactly what you want, and then go about finding the right diet and workout program for you. There are so many different diets and workout programs out there that it can be difficult to find the right one for you. A fantastic way to help you lose weight is to start incorporating blueberries into your diet. Blueberries might just be the healthiest fruit because they're jam-packed with antioxidants. An easy way to eat blueberries is simply to add a handful of them into a blender with some ice and protein powder drink mix and make a delicious protein shake. Once you get into the habit of a healthier lifestyle, you will feel better and won't want to revert back to old habits. Having excessive weight can be detrimental to your health. So, use the techniques you have read about to devise a plan that will help you attain your weight loss goals. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.